I'm not sure that we always remember the preciousness of our existence. I'm not sure that we always value the preciousness of the teachings that we have in head and in hands. And we are passing days after days, going into some activities which are, if not only plainly useless, sometimes even harmful for our own development, and sometimes harmful for the others. So we have the potential to reach enlightenment. We have the potential to develop bodhicitta. We understand it. We hear about it. What are we doing about it? On a daily basis, what kind of effort? What is the amount of effort we are doing every day to develop bodhicitta? To remember bodhicitta? I'm not a mathematician, but probably the percentage of our spiritual thoughts every day might be of a very low percentage, low amount, because we are caught, we let our mind to be caught by all kind of thoughts which have nothing to do with the path that we are walking on. Why? We can change that, no doubt. We should set our mind in the right disposition.
Nisem prepričan, da se vedno zavedamo, kako dragoceno je naše življenje, da vedno cenimo učenja, ki smo jih deležni. Temveč pustimo dnevom, da minevajo in naše dejavnosti niso samo nekoristne, temveč so celo škodljive za naš duhovni napredek in za druge. Torej, razumemo bodhicitto, imamo priložnost, da jo razvijamo. Kaj pa v resnici počnemo, da bi to tudi dosegli? Kaj počnemo za to vsak dan? Nisem matematik, vendar odstotek duhovnih misli, naših duhovnih misli vsak dan je zelo nizek, ker smo ujeti v razmišljanje, ki se ne sklada z potjo, po kateri hodimo. Zakaj? Naravnajmo svoj v pravilno smer.
So, of course, we cannot change radically 100% of our life from day 1 to day 2. But we have to set the right course of action, the right course of thoughts in order to achieve this transformation from whatever egoistic and selfish thoughts we might have towards the bodhisattva type of mind, towards the right motivation to help all the other sentient beings. It is possible. It is within ourselves already the potential to achieve this state of mind. Should we wish for it, and should we do everything for it to happen?
Seveda ne moremo čez noč obrniti svoje življenje na glavo, ga popolnoma spremeniti. Vendar moramo doseči pravi delež pravih misli za to, da bi postopoma lahko izpeljali to preobrazbo od sebičnih misli k umu bodhisattve, zato da bi pomagali vsem čutečim bitjem. To je mogoče. Potencial za to že nosimo v sebi. Če bi si želeli to doseči, bi storili vse za to, da bi se res zgodilo.
So from the morning to the evening, and the evening to the next morning, let's meditate, pray, practice, so that this awakening mind, this awakening aspiration grows and grows within ourselves, never falls back in our mind, but only develops, so that one day it merges completely with our mind. It becomes one with our mind. And that from that moment on, all our actions of body, speech and mind will be for the sake of the others. And doing so will ensure that we will walk the steps of the 10 bodhisattva levels up to full enlightenment, complete enlightenment.
Zato od jutra do večera, od večera do naslednjega jutra meditirajmo, molimo, prakticirajmo, da bi ta prebujenja, to stremljenje po prebujenju raslo in raslo v nas, da ne bi nikoli usahnilo, temveč se samo še razvijalo, zato da bi nekega dne se popolno zlilo z našim umom, da bi postalo eno z našim umom in da bi od tistega trenutka dalje vsa naša dejanja, telesa, govora in uma bila namenjena za dobrobit drugih. In tako si bomo zagotovili, da bomo prehodili 10 ravni bodhisatev vse do popolnega razsvetljenja.
It's not enough just to wish that the awakening mind shall rise, shall develop where it has not yet developed, and so on. It is important that we generate it, that we transform any shadow of selfishness within our mind into the right motivation of serving all sentient beings. It's not just an idea, bodhicitta, or awakening mind. It's not something vague. It's something which is very precise in wisdom, in action, in potentials to help all the other sentient beings. And it's something that we already have the potential within. It's not something that we have to seek in another country or in another world. It's something that we can generate from within our mind.
Ni dovolj, če si samo želimo, da bi prebujenja rastel in se razvijal tam, ker se še ni razvil. Pomembno je, da ga vzpostavimo, da ga mi vzpostavimo, da preobrazimo vsako senco sebičnosti v svojem umu, v pravo motivacijo, da bi služili drugim. Bodhicitta ni samo ideja, ni nekaj nedoločenega. Je nekaj, kar je zelo natančno v dejanjih in potencialu pomagati vsem čutečim bitjem. In je nekaj, kar za potencial, za to že nosimo v sebi. Zato nam bodhicitte ni treba iskati v drugih deželah. Moramo jo vzpostaviti v svojem lastnem umu.
every time that there is one being who generates bodhicitta, you can be assured that all over the space, all already existing bodhisattvas and Buddhas do rejoice greatly in that. All the gods from the God realm aware of spirituality do rejoice about it. Why? Because they know that out of one being having realized such great motivation, an amount of benefits which is not countable by our mind will be generated.